These repeating decimals are infinite geometric series, and I'll show you why. We know that this goes on forever, 671, 671, and dot dot dot. So if I were to build my infinite geometric series, I have the first one is 0.671. This number here is 0.000671. Do you understand that? Because these three would be 000. This one here would be 0.0000671. And when you add them together, you would get 671, 671, 671, right? So we could also use the sum formula, which is A1 over 1 minus R. We know A1 is 671 over a 1 with 3 zeros over 1,000, because it's 3 decimal places. Everybody get that so far? And R is 1,000, I think. So go ahead and take this guy and divide it by this guy to get R. So R is 1 over 1,000. So you have 1 minus 1 over 1,000, which is equal to 671 over 1,000 divided by 999 over 1,000. And that is 671 over 999. And if that reduces, you go ahead and reduce it on your calculator. So in this one, the only thing that repeats is the 5-4. So we have to hold this 0.3 out for later, kind of like you keep the gravy on the stove until the turkey's done, and then you kind of put it on stuff, okay? So we're going to keep that away. So we have 0.00, nope, we don't. We have 0.054, and then 54, 54, 54, right? So A1 would be 0.054. The second guy would be 0.00054. The third guy would be 5 zeros, and then a 54 with a point here. Got it?
So you just add the 3 at the end, and it's pretty much the same walkthrough?
We're going to add the 0.3 at the end. So how do you find R here? Just be careful with the zeros. What is 0.00054 divided by 0.054? Is that 1 over 100?
Yeah.
Huh?
0.1, so put it in 10.
0.01, so it's 100.
1 over 100 should be. Do it again.
0.0054.
0.00054. You have to put the 0 where the 3 is.
Yeah.
Okay, so it's 1 over 100 is R. A1, without the 0.3, we're not thinking about him, is 0.054, which is 54 over 1,000. Got it? So we have 54 over 1,000 times 100 over 1, because we're going to keep change. No. Over 1 minus 1 over 100, which is 54 over 1,000 divided by 99 over 100, which is 54 over 1,000 times 100 over 99. And here only 2 zeros go away. So we have 54 upstairs and 990 downstairs. Now we have to add 0.3, so we add 3/10 to that. You can go ahead and do that in your calculator and hit math, enter, enter, and what do you get?
The original thing.
Hit math, enter, enter. Huh?
39.